up, guys? We're here at POL Cruise. Today we cruised out early. Thanks to all our sponsors. People are going to be ripping around the track for free. We got a lot of classic cars lined up. It's a beautiful day, and it's going to be a good time. What's up, bro? You going for track record or you just cruising?
Bro, I'm sorry. Yeah, we're just having a good time, bro. This is my first lap, so I'm gonna fill it out, and then maybe on the third or maybe on the second session, I'll push it a little bit harder.
All right, you got someone you're trying to beat out here?
Myself.
It's a Cobra. How do you go wrong with the Cobra? 427? Come on. It doesn't get any. And look at the color. You see the paint on that thing? How do you go wrong with that? You don't.
Beautiful cars, raging engines, the smell of gasoline in the air. What else could you ask for?
I was like, under 60, I'm very happy with that. Don't break the car and don't hit any cones.
You want to improve your time. What kind of parts are you going to do? What are you going to upgrade on your car?
Well, you go to braking, suspension, you know, all that stuff. Sway bars, tubular upper and lower control arms, do a coilover setup. That's going to stiffen you up, make you corner and handle better. Throw one of our new hollow sway bars on there. Big brake kit. It's going to be dynamite.
This thing was not meant for autocross, but the dude took it out anyway. Maybe I can get in with him. I don't know. Let's check it out.
Finishing first place, only car to make the 34s. Yes, he is standing right there. Jason Wilcox driving that silver Nova. You did it in the Nova, right? We really appreciate y'all spending the day with us like you did. It was awesome to have you out here. We were so blessed to have a beautiful day. So many amazing cars and trucks. We really appreciate everybody coming out. Thank you to all of our vendors. We can't do this without you. Have an awesome day. Look for us at the next one. Be ready to race. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you for shopping with POL at performanceonline.com. Subscribe to our channel for more how-tos, featured customer rides, event coverage, and more. That's POL at performanceonline.com.